पीछे पीछे। At one's heels. Our cat was at our heels. हमारी बिल्ली हमारे पीछे पीछे थी। He was in a hurry. Actually, some policemen were at his heels. वो बहुत जल्दी में था। दरअसल कुछ पुलिस वाले उसके पीछे पीछे थे। She always felt that her competitors were on her heels. उसने हमेशा महसूस किया कि उसके हरीफ भी उसके पीछे पीछे ही थे। You should be concerned about the underdog at your heels. तुम्हें उस कमजोर हरीफ की फिक्र रखनी चाहिए जो तुम्हारे पीछे पीछे है।